morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today in Carrollton, it will be raining most of the morning and cloudy this afternoon. A high of 51 degrees and a low of 44 degrees.
Today in history, in 1954, the first Godzilla movie is shown in Japan for the first time.
Wow.
Amazing.
In the headlines, NASA's Lucy mission will visit 8 asteroids. On Saturday, NASA launched a special spacecraft called Lucy. Lucy will take a 12-year trip to learn more about a group of asteroids. Scientists believe the asteroids will provide information on the beginning of the solar system. Asteroids are large rock-like chunks of material that never quite formed into a planet. Most of them are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. One of the asteroids that Lucy will study lies in the asteroid belt. The Lucy mission will visit more different objects in space than any other space mission. But getting to all of these places won't be simple. Lucy will have to circle around the Earth 3 times and travel out to the asteroids twice. The entire trip will be more than 4 billion miles long.
What?
Wow. That's so cool.
Wow.
Today's fun fact is your heart beats about 115,000 times every day.
Wow.
Wow.
Today's word of the day is canid. The definition, a domesticated animal closely related to a gray wolf. Used in a sentence, Miss Winfrey's dog is a small canid.
Canid.
Here's Kayla and Brooke for the joke of the day.
Hey Brooke, what do you call them? Where do boats go when they're sick?
I don't know, Kayla, where?
To the dock.
That's really funny. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Asher.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.